Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video. It's been a long time, y'all. Um, I just been thinking about, so many people who've been struggling online to make money and they don't know the right direction to go, or the stuff they involved with doesn't work, or the stuff that they involved with is a scam. So what I've done is put together a guide of everything that I think a person needs to make a decent income online. So uh that's what I've been doing these last few weeks here. And I think this will help a lot of people. Uh for my years of being around for about 15 years with this whole marketing stuff and make money online stuff, I think this will steer people in the right direction, because a lot of these people follow uh, put a lot of fluff in the game. Now, I'm not saying everybody out there who's a marketer is putting fluff in the game, but it is a lot of it out there. And so what decided to do was, like I say, make a guide, where everybody can get led in the right direction. So what I'm gonna do is put a link below the description, below in the description of this video, and the link will be to this page right here. All you gotta do is click this link right here. This will be the guide that I'm talking about that I made that should steer people in the right direction. And right here, I got some gift cards for, people, for them to get a chance to get a gift card. And I got my YouTube channel link and I got my blog. So definitely check out that guide. This guide is not even just for newbies. This guide is for people who may be making a little money online, but they ain't making the desired income that they want. So I'm gonna put a link below this video. Yeah, I have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.